This RAID storage beast just replaced my entire setup. OWC Mercury Elite Pro Dual Review. Feeling like your workflow is held together by duct tape and hope? Ever feel like your digital workspace is one bad cable away from total collapse? Like you're juggling backups, file transfers, device charging, and peripheral plugins with the grace of a caffeinated squirrel? Same. Between crashing drives, slow transfers, and a lack of decent ports, working efficiently can feel like an Olympic sport, but way less rewarding. You're stuck wasting time, redoing tasks, and praying your drives don't betray you mid-project. Sound familiar? That's the trap. You're doing high-stakes work with low-performance tools. And it's killing your vibe and your productivity. Let's fix that, shall we? It's not just annoying. It's slowly ruining everything. Missed deadlines? Check. Sudden data loss? Double check. That creeping dread every time you transfer massive files or plug in yet another external device. Yup, it's the slow burn of tech-induced stress. And don't get us started on the tangle of USB hubs, failing drives, and not enough space errors. You're not being dramatic. This chaos is sabotaging your output, draining your energy, and holding you back from operating like the digital wizard you know you are. Time is money, and yours is being siphoned by cheap gear that was never built to keep up. Meet the OWC Mercury Elite Pro Dual, your new desktop domination device. This thing doesn't just store data, it devours it. With up to 48 terabytes of RAID configurable storage, real-world transfer speeds of 1026 megabytes per second, and a built-in 3-port USB hub, the OWC Mercury Elite Pro Dual is like strapping a turbocharger to your entire workflow. Thunderbolt 3 and USB-C ready, whisper quiet, and sleek AF, it's the holy grail of performance and convenience. Plug in your cameras, audio mixers, tablets, phones, you name it. It's not just storage. It's your new creative command center. No more bottlenecks, no more stress. Just raw, unapologetic power at your fingertips. Say goodbye to the digital circus, and hello to sanity. Whether you're a video editor, a music producer, or just someone who's tired of yelling at your tech, this rig brings peace back to your workspace. Simplified workflows? Check. Razor-sharp focus? Yep. A workspace that finally feels like it works for you? Oh yeah. Built like a tank, quiet like a ninja, and flexible enough to match your needs, the Mercury Elite Pro Dual isn't just a product, it's the upgrade your grind deserves. Smash that play button, soak up the specs, and discover how this unit can flip your whole setup from meh to magnificent. Stop wasting time, thousands already leveled up. Why not you? There's a reason Pro Studios and Creative swear by OWC. This isn't just another fancy box with blinking lights, it's a battle-tested beast trusted by thousands to deliver under pressure. And it's ready to change your game today. No drivers. No compatibility drama. Just plug and play, blazing fast performance, and infinite port power. But don't sleep on it, supply is limited and demand is real. So if you're done with chaos and ready for control, hit that link, claim your rig, and own your digital domain. Let's go. Your future self is already thanking you.